The world of semiconductor manufacturing is at a crossroads, with TSMC's 7nm process utilization dipping below half. But what does this mean for the industry giants relying on it? Are we witnessing a pivotal shift in the balance of technological power? Stick around as we dive deep into the intriguing dynamics of semiconductor production and its far-reaching implications. In recent times, there has been significant attention directed toward TSMC's 7nm process, which is operating at a capacity utilization rate of less than 50%. This attention has arisen due to TSMC's struggles with insufficient production capacity, leading them to reduce prices in order to secure orders. However, it's worth noting that the industry is apprehensive about this price reduction strategy. Major manufacturers like Apple, Meditech, Qualcomm, NVIDIA, and AMD express skepticism about the 7nm process. Their requirements lean towards more advanced processes, specifically 5 nanometers, 4 nanometers, and 3 nanometers. Meanwhile, certain applications, particularly those demanding low power consumption, such as automotive chip manufacturers, continue to rely on relatively older processes like 40 nanometers and 28 nanometers. This choice is attributed to the cost-effectiveness of 7nm chips and a general reluctance to upgrade the manufacturing process. On the other hand, for automotive chips, the 7nm process fails to offer clear advantages. In contrast, the 40 nanometer and 28 nanometer processes are characterized by greater stability and reliability. Consequently, automotive chip manufacturers are not rushing to transition to more advanced processes. As a result, TSMC faces a challenging issue of insufficient orders for its 7nm process, and potential solutions involve either upgrading a portion of the 7nm production capacity to a more advanced process or downgrading it to a more mature one. Despite the current low market demand for TSMC's 7nm process, Huawei is in urgent need of this specific production capacity. Huawei relies on the 7nm process for its latest Kirin 9000 chip and other Kirin series chips. Presently, there is an oversupply of Mate 60 series mobile phones compared to demand. Furthermore, Huawei's AI chip Ascend series and Kunping chips are enjoying significant popularity among domestic manufacturers, and they also rely on the 7nm process. Unfortunately, TSMC's production capacity for 7nm chips cannot meet Huawei's requirements. Consequently, whether it's AI chips, Kirin chips, or Kunping chips, all of them are encountering production capacity challenges. A mutually beneficial situation could arise if the needs of both parties align. Regrettably, due to TSMC's inability to serve as an ODM for Huawei, demand and production capacity remain mismatched. In the past, TSMC President Zhang Zhongnu emphasized the end of globalization in the semiconductor industry. He pointed out that the situation was characterized by various factors, such as production capacity, orders, and supply chains, which could no longer be managed on a global scale. This resulted in resource wastage and had a significant impact on the semiconductor industry. Huawei, a prominent technology company in China, has gained substantial global visibility and influence. However, recently, Huawei has encountered a challenging problem: a shortage of production capacity for its 7nm chips. As reported by the media, Huawei's latest Kirin 9000 chip, along with some other chips in the Kirin series, utilizes the 7nm manufacturing process. Unfortunately, the production capacity for this process falls short of meeting Huawei's demands. To elaborate further, upon the release of Huawei's Kirin 9000 chip, its outstanding stability and performance garnered extensive attention not only within China, but also among Huawei mobile phone users worldwide. Nevertheless, due to the inadequate production capacity for 7nm chips, Huawei's mobile phones faced supply shortages, making them a scarce commodity in the market. This situation also created opportunities for unscrupulous businesses operating in the black market, who profited substantially by reselling Huawei phones. Furthermore, Huawei's Ascend series AI chips and Kunping chips are experiencing high demand due to the shortage of 7nm chip production capacity. In the current era, marked by a surge in artificial intelligence, the need for AI technology across various industries is steadily increasing. Huawei, a significant player in the AI chip sector, has seen a continuous and robust growth in market demand for its SN series chips and Kunping chips. However, the limited availability of 7nm chip production capacity has emerged as a critical challenge hampering Huawei's progress. Insufficient production capacity means that Huawei cannot promptly meet the demands of the market, prompting some of its partners to seek alternative suppliers. This development has inevitably left a noticeable impact on Huawei's market share and its brand reputation. In summary, Huawei is facing an urgent demand for its products, and the inadequacy of 7nm chip production capacity poses significant hurdles. As the global semiconductor industry undergoes transformations, addressing the issue of insufficient production capacity has become a paramount task for Huawei. Now, let's delve into an analysis of the reasons behind TSMC's deficiency in 7nm chip production capacity. As one of the world's largest semiconductor foundries, TSMC has traditionally occupied a crucial position in the semiconductor realm. Nonetheless, TSMC's recent shortfall in 7nm chip production capacity has drawn widespread attention. So what factors contribute to TSMC's insufficient 7nm chip production capacity? To begin, it's important to note that technological advancements are progressing at a much faster rate than the expansion of production capacity. The semiconductor industry has witnessed a continuous evolution from 14 nanometers to 10 nanometers, 7 nanometers, and now onto the more advanced 5 nanometers and 3 nanometers processes. Each technological leap necessitates substantial investments in research and development, as well as meticulous preparations for production. However, it's crucial to understand that these technological breakthroughs do not automatically translate into an immediate increase in production capacity. Constructing production lines, procuring necessary equipment, and training a skilled workforce all demand significant time and resources, contributing to the delayed expansion of production capacity. The challenge is even more pronounced for advanced processes like the 7nm, characterized by intricate production processes and expensive equipment, making the task of increasing production capacity even more daunting. Secondly, the unpredictability of market demand introduces significant instability into production capacity. The semiconductor industry operates within a highly dynamic market-driven environment, marked by frequent fluctuations in demand. Manufacturers must align their production capacity with prevailing market requirements, but the inherent uncertainty of market demand complicates this endeavor. Moreover, expanding production capacity entails substantial resource allocation and financial investments. In situations where market demand experiences substantial swings, it can lead to imbalances between supply and demand. At the outset of the 7nm process, the ambiguous outlook for market demand prompted some manufacturers to adopt a cautious wait-and-see approach, which, in turn, hindered the expansion of production capacity. Furthermore, the global semiconductor industry's production capacity is significantly influenced by its intricate supply chain. This industry is characterized by high levels of globalization, involving manufacturers and partners across numerous countries and regions. However, recent years have seen shifts in the global economic and political landscape, exemplified by trade disputes and epidemics, which have persistently disrupted and destabilized the global supply chain. These disruptions have given rise to challenges in securing the necessary materials and equipment, thereby impeding efforts to expand production capacity. In summary, the principal factors contributing to TSMC's shortfall in 7nm chip production capacity encompass the rapid pace of technological advancement outpacing capacity growth, market demand's inherent unpredictability, and the disruptive influence of global supply chain disruptions. Only through a comprehensive understanding of these factors can we hope to devise effective solutions to rectify insufficient production capacity and enhance the competitiveness of enterprises in this industry. As we've explored the intricate challenges and strategic decisions shaping the semiconductor industry, what do you think the future holds for TSMC and its 7nm process? How will these developments impact the global tech landscape? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Remember, as we delve into the realm of technology, the possibilities are limitless, and the future is filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring.